How's it going, everyone? I hope everyone's staying warm if you're watching this in the Midwest around the time I upload it. But one thing I wanted to share with you is how I'm going to make a knife mount. I'm going to mount these knives on the wall right here because I thought it would be a nice little background. And these are custom knives that I've made, but they don't really have a good spot. So I'm going to make a little wall mount for them, and I just thought I'd share that with you, show you how it turns out. But yeah, let's jump into Solidworks and get going. So, we just saved it as an STL. Now we're going to load it into Snapmaker and make the G-code. Stack Overflow in my brain there. I need to finish my coffee. Snapmaker. Alright, so let's take it over to the 3D printer. Alright, just finished printing out the wall mount. Very small, minimalist, as you can see. But anyway, there we go. That's how I make a little knife mount. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. You can find this on Thingiverse if you want to mount your own knife. So enjoy. Do something nice for someone today, and I'll see you next time. Peace.